Hi Year 1, welcome to your maths lesson for today. It's Mrs. Willis. So let's start with our skills chart this morning. So it says these are placed in order from the smallest, largest, what's happening. So let's have a look carefully together. How many have we got in each one? Got 10 and 6, that's 16. 10 and 5, so that's 15. 10 and 2, so that's 12. So we're starting with greatest and we're going down to smallest, least. Okay, so greatest, middle, least. What number is this? Can you read this number and tell me what it would be in digits? So 18, so that's a 10 and an 8, 1 and 8 when we write it. What number is missing? 13 and 15. What number goes in the middle? That's right, it's 14. Okay, so these are placed in order from, let's have a look. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13. Can write these down, can't we? It helps to remember. We've got 13, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we're going up, that gives us a clue. And we've got 10 there and 9 there, so that's 19. So they're getting bigger, so they're going from least to greatest. Okay. Let's clear that. Okay, let's have a look. Count the cars, and remember we're going to write at the end how many there are, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cars in that row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cars in that row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars in that row. So let's order them from greatest to least. Greatest means the most, doesn't it? So out of these numbers, which one is the biggest, the greatest? Yeah, it's 10, isn't it? So let's put 10 here. And then what comes next? We've done 10. So is it 9 or 7 next? If we're getting smaller as we go. Yeah, it's 9. And then the last one, the lowest, the least number is 7. So 10, 9, 7. Okay, so let's have a look. How many in each? What have we got? We've got 10 there, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Use my counting on 10 and counted on to 16. 10 here and one more. 11, yep. And how many here? We've got nearly one full Numicon of a 10, so there's one missing, so it must be 9. Okay, 16, 11 and 9. How did they order these? Did they order them from greatest to least or from least to greatest? Where's the biggest number? It's this end, isn't it? So 16, 11, 9. They're going from biggest number to the smallest number, so it's gone from greatest to least. So that's our answer, isn't it? Greatest to least, they've been ordered. Okay, so it says pick a card and place the cards from greatest to smallest. Amir picked number 12, Annie picked number 19, and Tommy picked number 9. So can we place the cards in order from greatest to smallest? Greatest means biggest, the biggest number. So out of those three numbers, which one is the biggest? Yeah, it's 19, isn't it? So we want that one next. Okay, which is the next biggest number, 12 or 9? 12 comes after 9, doesn't it? So it's the next biggest number, and then it's 9. So how we place them in order from greatest to smallest? 19 is the biggest, 12 is the next biggest, 9 is the smallest number. There, so we place them in order from greatest to smallest. can we have a go at placing these three numbers in order, greatest to smallest? So out of these three, which is the biggest? 20, isn't it? We've got 20. Which is the next biggest number? Yep, it's 18. And smallest number is 15. So that's if we put them in order from greatest to smallest. And can you have a go at putting these cards in order? I'll let you have a go with your adult this time. So pause the video, take as long as you need. They're going from smallest to the greatest, so they want the smallest number first, then the next smallest, then the biggest number. Yep, the order they should go in then is 3, which is the smallest, then 10, which is next smallest, and then 14, which is the biggest number. Okay, so your task today is to choose 3 number cards. So in your book, you're going to write them from the smallest to largest. So you're going to choose 3 number cards. So if I was doing it with these ones, and I was going to write them in my book neatly in pencil, 12, 16 and 13. So I can use your number line to help if you want to as well. So I would look on the number line and see that 12 comes first. So I'm going to put number 12, 1 number in each box. Then I'm going to leave a space and I'm going to work out what's next. 12, 16, 13. Well, 12 comes straight after 13. So I'm going to put it there next. And then the last one is 16. Write it 1 number in each box. Okay, 12, 13, 16. Then you're going to put those cards back and you're going to choose 3 new number cards and you're going to have a go. You're going to do that 5 times and then you're going to have a go at doing the largest to smallest. So you're going to have 10 lists of numbers written in your book. You're going to do 5 where they're going from smallest to largest and you put them back and pick 3 more, and 5 rows of 3 numbers where they're going from largest to smallest. Okay, so it's a little bit of a game. You're picking 3 cards, you're putting them in order from smallest to largest, you're writing them in your book. Once you've done that 5 times, you can choose 3 cards again, but this time we're putting them in order from largest to smallest, from greatest to smallest, greatest to least, biggest number first. So we're doing smallest number first to biggest number first, and then we're going largest number first to smallest number. Okay, that's your task for today. Enjoy, use your number cards, and I'm looking forward to seeing how you got on with that. I'll speak to you tomorrow for your next math lesson. Bye, Year 1.